Okay, Larry, I'm replacing that other radio because it is not going to be a quick fix on that one. Alright, I've already put the Z06s in. And did the LESCOM enhancements, and there's your Palomar Max mod. Okay, that's increased the buffer filter from a 470 microfarad to a 3,300 microfarad. I increased the voltage regulator buffer filter from a 1,000 to a 2,200. Okay, there's your new tighter filter. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, I'm replacing it. It's going to take me a while to fix that other one. I don't know what happened to it, but something definitely happened to it. And you say it was like that when it come out of the box, and I got no reason not to believe you. So, you know, something got bumped around or jarred, or one of the parts got knocked loose or something. Anyway, I got to figure that out. So, I'm replacing it for you. Okay? All right. Okay, just got done doing the tune-up on it. Got 100-watt slugs on both sides. Meter on the left is RMS, meter on the right is peak. Reading on the bottom scale on both. I have the multiplier set to ×2 on the peak meter. So there where it says 40, that's 80. Where it says 60, that's 120. The little mark in between the 40 and 60, that's a 50, which equates to 100 on ×2. Okay? Let's do FM first. Now I turn the FM dead key back to 50 watts because it was way up there after installing the Z06s. Alright, now I'm on AM and RF power's turned all the way up. I guess I should show you FM with power turned all the way down. You can turn it down to, what is that, 246, about 7 watts, and then back up to 50. Okay, now we're going to AM. RF power is all the way up. Right at 120 watts peak and about 22 RMS. Turn off modulation. Okay, it's backing up. I need to turn that down a little bit. Okay. There we go. All right, that's about 40 watts. And okay, let's turn AM power all the way down. Turn it on off. With it all the way down, that's a little bit high. Let's see, AM power. Let's turn that down to 4 watts for your dead key on low power. And if you turn that all the way up, we get about I'd say about 17 watts, and it goes forward to about 120 watts. Okay, that's on the AM. And what's the dead key with the power turned all the way up? And yeah, it is about 17 watts. Okay, that was AM. Now I'm going to lower sideband. RF powers, well, let's turn it all the way down first. about 20 watts and about 40 watts peak, or 36 watts peak. 2 times 18. Okay, now I'm going to turn the RF power all the way up. We're doing 70 watts RMS, and let's see, that's about 120, or no, about 110 watts peak. Okay, and these transistors will do that all day long. All right, need to set up the receiver, and I'll be back. More to come. Okay, here we are on lower sideband. You can see that's an S9. I'm going to switch to AM. You can see that's also an S9. Teetering right between a 9 and an 8. Let me check my... to set up just a hair. It should stay a 9. Alright, there's where it's supposed to be. There it is on AM. There's lower side. I touch up lower side just a hair. But it is so close. There we go. Alright, go back to AM. Here's FM. Now I'm not modulated for FM, but it'll pick up the carrier. Alright. Okay. Of course I don't have a speaker plugged into it. I guess I could plug a speaker in. Hang on a second. Okay, there we go. We're on AM. You can clearly hear the audio. Lower side. Okay. And of course, like I said, I'm not modulated for FM. Alright. I'm basically finished with it. I just got to put the covers back on it and box it up and ship it out. Very sorry for the trouble. I guess it might help if I flip the camera over so you can get a look at what the radio really looks like. But it works great. You saw the output power. So I'm going to get her boxed up for you and ship back out. Again, sorry for the trouble. 7-3.